Already have a free domain and a VPS? Want to link them so you can access your server from anywhere? In this video, we'll walk through how to point a free dynamic DNS to your VPS or cloud server, quickly and easily. Let's say I already have a cloud server running, and this right here is its IP address. You can see it on the screen. In a moment, we'll use this IP to point our free domain to the server. And I also have a free domain from noip ready to go. If you don't know how to create one yet, check out the video I linked in the description below. Now let's see how to point this domain to the server IP we just looked at. It's super simple. Just click the edit icon, that little pencil next to your domain name. Then, in the IP address field, enter the IP of the server we saw earlier. Finally, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. And just like that, your domain is now mapped to your VPS. From now on, instead of remembering the IP address, you can simply use the domain name to access your server. Much easier, right? Now, to test it, open up your command prompt. Next, type the ping command to ping your domain. If you see replies from the correct VPS IP, congrats! Your domain is now pointing correctly. Also, you can SSH into your server using the domain name instead of trying to remember a long IP address. Alright, now you can connect to your server using the domain name instead of remembering a long IP address. That's it! Now you know how to point a free domain to your VPS or cloud server. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. See you next time.